Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your routing number in the Bank of America app. So all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So first open the app and log in, launch the Bank of America mobile app on your phone, enter your username and password or use Touch ID, Face ID if enabled, and then go to your accounts. Once logged in, tap on the Accounts tab on the home screen, select the specific checking or saving account you want the routing number for, access account details. On the account screen, look for a section labeled Account Details or Informations and Services. Tap on it to expand more account-specific data, and then view your routing number. Your routing number will be listed along with your account number and other details like account type. It's usually labeled clearly routing transit number. The fifth step is optional to copy or share. You can write it down, take a screenshot if secure, or use it directly for direct deposit, bill pay, or linking accounts, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.